Recently I went to this anniversary party and everyone was complimenting my makeup. Changed few things for my makeup routine and I noticed a huge difference. I'm gonna show you guys how I did my makeup and also what products I used to achieve that makeup look. I don't have anything on my skin. My eyebrows are also not done, so I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and I'm going to use my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and this is a beautiful eyebrow product. Again, I'm very picky about my eyebrow pencils and I don't really invest that much when it comes to my eyebrows, but this eyebrow pencil, the Swiss Beauty one that I talked about, these eyebrow pencils are so good and I just don't do much. I just fill in my gaps that I have and that's pretty much it. By the way, this is my studio. This is going to be my studio in future. You will see this setup only. I have few work left and that's why I don't film here that much. But from next year onwards, you will see me in this studio. I'm really happy. And of course, I'm gonna give you guys a studio tour. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna use this Nude Sticks 5% citrus fruit and glycolic glow toner. I purchased this from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Look at this beautiful packaging. Really loved this product. I got it bad and I am going to use it all over my face. First you will think that okay, this is not going to work, but this works. This actually makes your skin so glowy and it just gives you this smooth base because it contains glycolic acid. That means it is a very gentle exfoliator for your skin, like a chemical exfoliator for your skin. So it gives you like this very smooth, clean base before your foundation application. And it also makes your skin glow. Really love this product and does not make your skin dry. And even if you have sensitive skin, I do have a little bit of sensitivity right over here. It does not bring out the redness. It does not dries out my skin. It does not give me that irritation. It just hydrates, gives you a beautiful glow and also exfoliates your skin. Now I am also going to use this SPF. This is from Face Shop. This is the Therapy Vegan Moisturizing Sun Serum and this contains SPF 50. This is their newly launched product. Again, a beautiful sunscreen just because it's a serum-y based sunscreen. You can see how liquidy that is. I really love this product before my makeup. You will not see me using primers before makeup. I don't love the feeling of primer, but I do love how my skin looks whenever I apply sunscreen, and after that I apply my makeup. I just love how it looks. Like I use my sunscreen as my primer, so I need a good sunscreen for that. Sometimes sunscreens does not really work well with makeup, so you have to be very careful with what sunscreen you are using. Like you have to choose a sunscreen properly. I will always recommend, if you are choosing any sunscreen, go with a serum based sunscreen. Water based, serum based, these type of sunscreens are very lightweight, easily absorbing and also gives you like a very beautiful base. You do not have to wait for it to dry and it will not feel thick, creamy. I'm gonna use this concealer. This is from Huda Beauty and you guys know how much I love my Huda Beauty concealer. This is in the shade Granola and this is magical. This gives me the most flawless base ever. It is full coverage, so that's why I love using this as my base product only, and you can see the shade is very close to my skin tone, so I don't have any problem using this as my base makeup. It is very long lasting and I just love how it looks on my skin. Like a little bit of bigger bottle of this will be my favorite foundation. Again, my favorite product, this is from Mars. This is my favorite brush and you get a powder side, a foundation side, and you also get eyeshadow brush right over here. So I love this product and I know a lot of you guys purchased it on my recommendation. Okay, so there was a construction going on, so I have to do a voiceover. I'm using my favorite loose setting powder. This is from Huda Beauty and this is in the shade Cherry Blossom. It's a beautiful pink powder and I am just obsessed how it looks on my skin, especially with the Huda Beauty concealer. The combo is stunning. It makes your skin look very bright, very like flawless, but does not look too much powdery. You can use this as much as you can, but it is not going to look powdery or unnatural. It gives you a very beautiful, natural, soft focus finish with a little bit of brightness just because it's a pink powder, so it is going to make your skin look a little bit more bright. So yeah, I used a concealer which is very close to my skin tone, so that's why I think with this powder it's a really good combo. Then I'm gonna use my favorite blush from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Hope, which is a baby pink color. Again, very pigmented, so make sure you are using just a little bit. And then I'm blending this with my Mars brush. Now this is a liquid blush, so this is going to give you this dewy finish, but still it looks very flawless. It does not disturb my base makeup at the same time, and this particular color is so perfect, especially for winters. It gives you this baby pink flush of color all over your cheeks, and if you think that you use too much, you can definitely set it with some powder and diffuse the color a little bit, and this is how it looks like. Then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this tint from Love Earth. This is their lip, cheek and eye tint, and this is a beautiful peach brown type of a color with a brown undertone. This is mostly like a peach color, and I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and use it all over my eyelid. If you are not into eyeshadow, if you don't want to do eye makeup look for your everyday makeup, but you want something on your eyes, I think these type of one and done shadows are really good for that. You just need to take the color and use it with a brush all over your eyes, and it gives you this beautiful flush of peach color. And one thing that I do, I take a little bit of powder and with my eyeshadow brush I set the eyeshadow, just because it is a very creamy tint type of a shade, so if I set it with some powder, it's not going to crease. And then I am going to use my favorite mascara duo. One is from Rare Beauty and another one is from Smashbox. First I use this Rare Beauty one and it gives me such a beautiful volume, and the Smashbox Superfan mascara gives me beautiful length, and I really love this duo. Then for my lip liner, I'm using this one from Rare Beauty again. This is in the shade Gifted. It's a neutral brown color. I will not say too much neutral, it's like a warm brown lip liner, but it is so perfect, especially for my skin tone, and I can use this as a lipstick. I do have the lipstick in the shade Gifted, but I don't know why I love the lip liner and how it looks on my lips, and it's very smooth, extremely long lasting. Then for my lip color, I'm using Madras Kapi from Nykaa. This is the color. It's a nude, very neutral nude type of a color, and as I used a warm tone lip liner, I really love pairing it with a neutral tone liquid lipstick, and it gives you the perfect nude lip color for your everyday makeup. Now if you want to do something extra for your eye makeup look, I will say do use some shimmer shade on your inner corners, and it is going to enhance your eyes and it's going to take the eye makeup look into another level. I really love doing this trick. I take any shimmer shade of my choice and I use it on my inner corners, and it gives you another eye makeup look. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. This was my base makeup look. You can see how flawless, how glowy it looks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.